God. What was that? I gotta get my gun.
Hurry.
Welcome to the California Handgun Protection Agency. For English, say English. Para español, diga
English.
español. I'm sorry, we did not get that. For English, say English. Para español,
English.
diga. I'm sorry, we did not get that. For English, say
Operator.
English. Transferring.
This is the operator. How can I assist you?
Somebody's broken into my home. I need access to my handgun now.
Sir, may I please have your name?
John Smith.
I need to verify the last 4 digits of your social.
I need access to my gun right now.
Sir, I cannot help you unless you get the last 4 digits of your social.
Okay, 1234.
What is the reason for accessing the firearm?
I already told you. Somebody's in my house. I need access to my gun now.
Sir, I have notified the police and they should arrive in approximately 12 minutes.
12 minutes? Are you crazy?
Sir, I cannot allow you to access your gun unless we are positive the intruder is armed.
How am I supposed to know?
You would need to actually see a gun or a knife, some kind of weapon.
You gotta be kidding me. I don't want to leave this room. I need my gun.
Sir, I cannot grant access unless you can confirm the intruder is armed.
Okay, fine. Fine, I'll go look.
Hey!
Open the safe now. He's coming to my bedroom.
Is he armed?
I don't know, he has a flashlight.
Open the door now!
Go hide behind the bed.
Is he armed?
Open the damn door!
Where do I hide?
Sir, are you there? I can't tell what's going on. Lost signal for a few seconds. I'm going to release your firearm to you. Please use extreme caution with it. Please understand it is very dangerous. The police should be there in about 10 minutes, so everything's going to be okay.